Hi, it's Pia's Tarot. Hello, all signs. So this is your energy check-ins and predictions and syempre, mga messages. Okay, so dapat yung marinig, o, diba? Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa ating private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye Bracelet, oo, and sa ating Evil Eye Ring, and sa ating Evil Eye Necklace, just message me. Okay, ganun na rin po ha. Ganun rin sa atin pong FB page lang kayo magre-reach out. Okay, so, yeah, let's start. Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong meron? Anong kailangan yung marinig? Tingnan natin. Anong kailangan yung malaman? Okay, so, oh, oh. Ayokong ipakita, the joke lang. The Ace of Pentacles. So, someone will give, someone will, sabihin natin may magbibigay, may tatanggap. Give or receive, parang ganyan eh, no? Ace of Pentacles, and the, oh, I'm seeing someone na pwedeng magbibigay ng, parang, someone's, ano, hindi ko masabi. Hindi ko masabi. Okay, so parang meron ditong ano, sabihin natin may magpapalaya. Ha? Nakakuha rin ako dito ng channeled messages na pwedeng someone may magbabayad para makalaya. Specific po yun ha, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay, so meron din dito like offer ni universe na magkaroon ka ng new beginning, like fresh new start, ganyan, okay? So there's a secret na pwedeng mangyari. So, syempre, sinabi ko na, hindi na siya secret. Okay, so wait lang po ha, wait lang. Okay, so, yeah. So, ano pa ba ang energy rito? Okay, Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords in reverse. This is a new beginning in general, okay? Like releasing yourself from burdens, releasing yourself from past, sabihin nating old connections, parang ganyan. Okay, na kailangan ng alisin. Yeah. And a new beginning is coming. Okay? Sa inyo. Yeah, this is nice. Some of you, hindi masyadong, yeah, may energy rito ng pagdating sa kaperahan. May growth, okay? May improvement, yes. May energy rin dito ng someone na pwedeng makatanggap ng pay raise, makatanggap ng promotion, anything regarding improvement, okay? So, what else for air signs? Okay. The Fool. Yeah, this is a fresh new start coming. Okay, you're heading like a fresh new start. The Fool. Kung makikita nyo sa tarot, zero. Ito yung una. Okay? What's with the Fool? The King of Swords. Okay, some of you nagiging talaga sabihin nating focusing na pagdating sa puro utak na lang ang gumagana. Ha? Okay? So, yes, kasi sometimes or sabihin nating mas madalas ma-avoid mo yung parang emosyon, like mas makakasira kapag may halong emosyon no? Madalas. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Iba rito, ma-release nyo na yung sarili nyo from kung ano man yung mga pinag-iisip. Okay? Yung mga pinag-overthink kan. Okay? Some of you, meron ako nakikitang plano rito na pwedeng gawin, pwedeng simulan. Okay? Yung iba rito, pwedeng may energy ng parang facing like a new opportunity. Okay? So, there. What else? Meron ditong mga paperma. May mga pirmahan ako nakikita dito. Air signs. Okay. Yeah, I think this is like a promotion. Meron ditong parang may magsisimula sa trabaho, parang ganyan, okay? So, releasing from, sabihin nating problem pagdating sa kaperahan yung iba. Okay? So, yeah, the Empress. See? Oh my God! Some of you, be careful with those na hindi pa ready sa pregnancy dahil nakita ko dito ng pregnancy, okay? So, oo, alam nyo naman kung dala lang ng at hindi ready, ay naku po, nakita ko dito ng mayroon ditong pregnancy. Okay. And the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. A decision kailangang mangyari or kailangang gawin, mga air signs, in the near future. Para rin sa inyo. Okay? Para rin sa'yo, sa sarili mo. Okay? So, wag matatakot magdesisyon. Wag matatakot na mag-take risk. Okay? Kasi minsan, sa pagte-take risk, no? Kasi nalabas ka sa comfort zone mo nun. So, nandoon kasi lahat ng pwedeng mga opportunities, mga blessings na hindi pa rin totally makapasok sa kung anong comfort zone meron ka. So, you have to be outside of your comfort zone. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, this is nice. This is saying na you're on the right path. Okay? You're on the right path. Lalo na kung meron ka ng ginagawang effort sa ngayon. Meron ka ng mga pagpaplanong ginagawa. Anything na ginagawang panimula. Okay? Sinasabi rito na you're doing the right thing. You're on the right path. Okay? So there. Wow, nice for you. Next is fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, so anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay, fire signs. Anong kailangan malaman ng mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Anong kailangan malaman ng mga fire signs? The Empress. Laging nakukuha to. This is pregnancy. This is pwedeng progress. Ito yung mga energy na pwedeng gustong parang anong tawag dito? I-nurture. Parang ganyan. Okay? The Temperance. Meron ditong naghihintay mga anak na lang. Okay. Meron ditong naghihintay mga hanganak na. Parang ganyan. I don't know. Yeah. So, sinasabi dito ni Universe, be strong. Okay? Oo, specific yan na hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? So, the Temperance. The Empress and the Temperance. Energy ng Libra. Energy ng Virgo. Taurus. Sagittarius is here. Someone is waiting. Okay? I think, ang nakikita ko dito, general, is you have to be more patient pagdating sa goals, pagdating sa mga decision mo sa buhay, pagdating sa mga dreams mo. And yes, okay, sinasabi nga is, patience is what? Okay? So, yun ha. So, what else? Fire signs. Meron ditong pagpaplano pagdating sa pregnancy. Okay? Self-love, self-care. Ay, naririnig ko rin pagdating sa inyo, ha? Mga fire signs. So, ano pa? The Page of Pentacles in reverse. So, this is an energy of delay. So, what's with this? The Knight of Pentacles. There's delay if you're always procrastinating things. Okay? Kung ikaw itong parang urong-sulong sa mga bagay, like hindi ka ginagawa or hindi ka gumagawa ng decision. So, yeah, ang laging kaakibat niyan ay delay, ha? Okay? So, yeah. Someone wants to connect or someone wants to communicate or wanting to reach out pero hindi nila ginagawa. Maybe they're like trying to wait na lang for you na ikaw ang gumawa ng first move, like that. Okay? Some of you have to save more or maybe watch your spending. Okay? You have to watch your spending. You need to watch your spending. Okay. What else? Fire signs. I'm seeing here, someone is like talagang gastos ng gastos pagdating sa sarili. I don't know if that's like kung minsan lang naman, no? Kung alam mo sa sarili mo na, okay, kailangan kong paminsan-minsan is gastusan ko naman yung sarili ko. Just be fair enough. Or sabihin natin maging patas ka lang din talaga minsan sa sarili. Okay? So, yeah. The Eight of Wands. Yeah, this is communication. Someone is left unread. Okay? Someone is like waiting for you to reply. I don't know. What's with this? Yeah. May mga naiinggit rin sa'yo. Fire signs. Lalo na sa pag-usad mo. Lalo na sa hindi mo pagpigil sa sarili mong gawin yung mga desisyon na gusto mo. Yeah. Wow. Pasensya na po ha sa ating background noises. Diba? Okay, so the Six of Wands in reverse. So, kung ikaw naman ang parang nakokontrol ng iba, hindi mo kailangan magpakontrol. Okay? Kasi, in the end, ikaw rin ang magsisisi. Sa totoo lang. Okay? May mga taong nagto-throw ng hindi magandang energy sa'yo. And, yeah, they are trying to, to maybe break, no? Kung anong mga ginagawa mo. Yeah. Pero wag mo hahayaan yun, okay? Don't let them na parang ma-weaken, no? Yung iyong kung ano mang mga goals or mga ginagawa mo or plans, okay? So, there. Maraming tao ang talagang naiinggit sa'yo, actually. Yes. Okay? So, next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Hang on. Hold on. Okay. So, water signs. Habang kailangan mong marinig, kailangan malaman. Okay. So, the Ten of Wands. A lot of responsibilities. Burdens for some of you. What's with this? Ooh! Okay. Lagi lang tayong ganun. Ooh! So, someone is like sobrang parang sasabog na yung dibdib. Nasabog na sa lahat, sa dami ng emosyon na meron sa'yo or meron ka sa kanya. Okay? Yeah, see? The Two of Cups. I think this is a strong connection. No? Meron ditong gustong maging open. Meron ditong gustong magsabi ng emosyon nila pagdating sa'yo. Dahil hirap na sila. Bigat na sila. Yeah, see? The Ten of Cups. Wow. Masaya tong taong to. Kapag kasama ka, maybe, kapag nakikita ka, but, yeah, kung hindi kayo magkasama nito, yeah, nahihirapan sila. Kapag wala ka, pwedeng ikaw to sa isang tao. Okay? See? Wanting a new beginning. Parang ganyan. Wanting a new beginning. Or wanting na talagang magkaroon kayo ng connection or relationship. Meron ditong nahihirapan na pagdating sa emosyon nila dahil nandoon yung sobrang pagmamahal. Sino ito? Okay, ano pa? The world in reverse. The energy ng unfinished business. So maybe this is an energy from a past old person. Okay? The world in reverse and the Ace of Cups. Yeah, still. See? Ganto. Ay, talaga naman. Maybe sa'yo to. Wanting to release the burden or wanting to release, I don't know, someone is being like stressed. Na-stress na. Okay? There's a lot of tension. Ayaw lang ng isa is maging needy siya or maging kawawa. That is why. Meron kailangan mag-open up ng kanilang emosyon. Yes. Fire sign, water, fixed sign, Pisces. Okay? You have to heal. Water signs, you have to heal. You have to. You need to. Okay? Focus on yourself first. Sa ngayon. Okay, this is self-love, by the way. The Queen of Cups and the Ace of Cups. This is self-love pag to nagtabi. Okay? So, siguro, para ma-release yung burden, para ma-release yung kung anumang past na nangyari na ito na hindi maganda, this is sabihin rin nating focusing pagdating sa sarili mo is makakatulong rin. No? Pagdating sa healing process. What else? This is like going with the flow. Kung anong meron, pero mahirap. So just focus muna sa sarili. Self-worth, self-love. Okay? What else? Eight of Cups in reverse. You're in your emotions. Yeah. A lot of cups, a lot of emotions. This is your energy I'm getting. Okay? The Eight of Cups in reverse. The Sun. Oh my God. Meron kayong past person na binabalik-balikan. Talagang hindi nyo kaya ang mawala. Because this person makes you happy. Makes you feel complete. Yeah. Lahat kaya mong suungin para sa kanya. I feel the sadness. Yeah, you want a relationship with this person. Some of you, meron ditong mourning energy. Merong someone passed away like that. Okay, so sa ngayon, syempre, you have to focus, sa sarili. So, kung may nawala na, kung may sumakabilang buhay na, yeah, set them free. Okay, sa pamamagitan ng pagiging masaya. Kahit mahirap. Okay, kahit mahirap, yun ang gusto nilang makita eh. Yun ang gusto nilang makita. Okay, mahirapan tong mga to kung palagi kayong parang kawawa, lagi kayong parang iyak na iyak, hindi kayo mabibitawan yan. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Hindi daw natatapos dyan. Okay? So, kailangan yung mag-move forward. See? The Ace of Wands. Magkaroon ka ng what? Bigyan mo ng another chance yung buhay mo. Sinasabi dito, humarap ka sa new path like fresh new start. Okay? The Ace of Wands. Kung makikita mo, parang number 1 yan. Umpisa ulit. Okay? So, yeah. Kung ito is a person from your past, Yeah, meron, hindi ko alam eh, like, obsession, nandyan, like, gustong-gusto ka ng taong ito. Okay, or maybe, ikaw itong gustong-gusto mo yung someone. Pwedeng Libra, pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng fire signs. Okay? So, I think, nakikita ko may pagbabalik dito in the near future. And yeah, ito yung huli, the sun, which is an energy of happiness, an energy of completion, I guess. Okay? So, may chance siguro, like, just be positive kung anong meron, pinagdaraanan mo ngayon or pinagdaraanan niya, kung ano man. Okay? So, just be positive and nakikita ko in the end, ito yung makukuha. Ito yung happiest card. Ito yung pinaka-positive pagdating sa tarot deck. Okay? So, may chance, if ever. May chance, may kasal rin dito. Okay? Kung sino man ito. Kailangan nyo munang i-let go. Kailangan nyo munang i-face kung anong dapat i-face sa ngayon at iwanan. Okay? I-let go muna. Parang ganun. So, healing. Okay? Tama-tama. You have to focus on healing. Okay? Bakit po? Paano kung babalik? Kailangan yon. Okay? Yun talaga ang kailangan, lalo na kung sa tingin mo babalik. Kailangan yung healing. Ayaw nating mababalikan tayo ng tao na yun pa rin tayo. Dapat may pagbabago na. Emosyon man. Okay? Mentalidad. Anything. Kasi yun nga eh, back to zero. Una ulit. Parang hindi ulit kayo magkakilala. Okay? So, yun ang nakuha ko, ha? Next! Earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong message ang dapat mong marinig? Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. The Four of Cups. Someone is sad. Someone is upset. Someone is left unread. Like, feeling ignored. What's with this? The Emperor in reverse. Someone is like, kino-compare yung sarili sa iba or maybe sa'yo. Stop comparing. Okay? In general, stop comparing. May kanya-kanya tayong kakayanan. Someone is like feeling left out. Okay? Yeah. Isipin mo, yung person na kinukumpara mo sa sarili mo, meron siyang hindi kaya na kaya mo. Okay? Ikaw, meron ka rin namang hindi kaya na kaya niya. Okay? So, ganun. Oo. So, wag ka masyadong like kumpara mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Stop comparing. Kasi, andyan yung masasabotahe mo eh. Yung mga pwedeng plano mo. Okay? Ay, bakit si ganto ganyan? Kaya ko kaya yun? Kasi ganto siya eh. Ako ganto lang. Stop it. Okay? You're ruining everything. Okay. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles. Focus on your work. Focus on your, sabihin nating progress. Okay? This is, loyalty rin. The Eight of Pentacles. Focus. Okay? The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. So, ang sinasabi dito is grind lang ng grind. Okay? Huwag mo hahayaan yung sarili na parang mapunta na lang sa parang waste of time, parang ganyan. Huwag mong hahayaan na may lalagpas na oras na wala kang masyadong, sabihin natin yes, resting is important, pero yeah, mas 'di ba, para sa inyo, mga earth signs, napaka importante ng oras. Yeah, napaka-importante ng oras. Okay? So, If you're working for something, okay? If you're working for something, just focus on it. Okay? Focus lang. Kahit hindi mo pa makuha ngayon, kung ano man yan, wag mong hahayaan na parang lilimitahan mo na yung sarili mo dahil hindi mo nakukuha. Hindi mo alam. Kinabukasan yun na pala, tas i-stop ka ngayon. Okay? And always think kung ano ang dahilan kung bakit mo ginagawa yung bagay na yan. Okay? Iisipin mo lagi yung mga dahilan mo kung bakit mo gustong gawin yan. Okay? Kung ano man yan. Meron ditong ikinukumpara yung kita sa kita mo. Parang ganun. Okay? So, meron ditong nai-intimidate. A person is, nakaka-intimidate, like, andun din yung parang overwhelmed, like that. Trying to compare kung anong meron sa kanya sa'yo, parang ganyan. What else? Earth signs. Okay, the Ten of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong parang feeling nila hindi sila na-appreciate. Okay? Or pwedeng iniisip mo lang yan. Feeling unappreciated. Kahit gawin yung mga bagay. Okay? May mga tao lang talaga na hindi marunong makontento. Okay? Kung ikaw sa sarili mo, alam mo na ginagawa mo na lahat, and yet, hindi pa rin sila happy, wala na ikaw problem doon. Okay? Sila na ang may problema, hindi ikaw. Tandaan mo yan. Okay? So, Ten of Cups in reverse, the High Priestess. Yeah. Some of you, there's a water sign, a Cancerian who is so sad right now. So sad. Expecting maybe something will sabihin nating start. Okay, I don't know. Yeah. They have emotions. Kaya ganyan. The Queen of Cups. This is unconditional love. Someone is loving you unconditionally. Kahit sabihin nating masyado kang busy. Okay? Kahit sabihin nating masyado kang tahimik, hindi mo to nakakausap, they still love you. Kung hindi ka kayang makipag-cooperate sa kung anong merong gusto nila, they still love you. Pwedeng tinalikuran mo to, inalisan mo. Okay, communication is not good. Mahal ka pa rin. Kung sino to, I don't know. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. This is an energy of a missed opportunity. Meron ditong ina-expect na mag-workout pero hindi nag-workout. Okay? Someone wants a new beginning or wanting a new beginning with you. Pero I guess some of you, you're just focusing on your work. Okay? Focusing on something more important. Okay? So, nandyan yung sabihin natin nakaka-intimidate yung ginagawa mo. Nakakatakot yung, You make this person scared. Yes. Natatakot sila sa ginagawa mo. I don't know. Maybe you're trying to ignore them. Like, masyadong, parang ano you don't need to be happy. Parang ganyan yung nararamdaman nila. You don't need to be happy. Parang ganyan, masyado kang focus sa kung anong meron ka. Maybe, hindi mo kailangan para sumaya. Like that. Oh my God. I'm channeling. Okay. So, masyado nang mahaba ang ating mga pinagsasabi, no? Oh, and, yeah. Okay. So, yun lang naman. Ang aking mga nakikita. May ang daming energy. Hindi ko to, yes, kaya kong sabihin ito kahit isang oras pa. Pero, I can't. Okay? Oh, hindi dapat. Okay? So, yun ang akin nakakuha sa ngayon. All signs. Okay? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye-bye.